Well, and obviously, the sooner someone starts, we always talk about the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the next best time is today. It's never too early to get started with retirement planning, but it's also never too late, right?
Right,
So,
no question. It's interesting. The tree analogy has been one that I really like. So I'm glad that you brought that up because I think about 20-year-olds putting money into their retirement account. And I know this doesn't have anything to do with our show, and you're welcome for me going off topic. I hope you enjoy it. But when we talk about this concept of a tree, you think about when you're 25, 26, planting that tree, and you continue to plant more trees every year, right? More contributions every year. And people say, well, I needed to take money, so I just took it out of my 401k. You chopped all those trees down, they never got to grow. Right? If you know that if you leave that alone for 20, 30 years, you're going to have an orchard. You're going to be able to take fruit from it every year. You're going to leave the trees alone. But if you chop those trees down, there's not going to be anything left.
right.
So it's one of those things where you want to be planning and really saying, look, this is sacred money. I don't want to touch it until I am going to be retired. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to schedule a 15-minute phone call, go ahead and click the link in the description below, and we look forward to talking to you soon.